Welcome to British Desire. I am your professor, and in this tutorial, we are going to see video presentation on Google Family Link for Android. Still confused? Let's learn how to use Google Family Link in real life. Point 1. Help your family create healthy digital habits. Whether your children are younger or in their teens, the Family Link app lets you set digital ground rules to help guide them as they learn, play, and explore online. Open Family Link application. Tap on Parents button. If you are parent, then tap on Parent. Google Family Link allows you to monitor various activities of your children. You just need Google account for that. After selecting your role as parent, app will show you setup code. You need this code to enter on your children mobile. Point 2. View their activity. Not all screen time is the same. Help your child make healthy decisions about what they do on the device, with activity reports showing how much time they're spending on their favorite apps. Now it's super easy to monitor the activities of your children with Google Family Link app. Point 3. Manage their apps. Handy notifications let you approve or block apps your child wants to download from the Google Play Store. You can also manage in-app purchases, and hide specific apps on the device. Point 4. Feed their curiosity. It can be hard to figure out what apps are right for your child. So Family Link shows you teacher-recommended apps that you can add directly to their device. Point 5. Set limits. It's up to you to decide the right amount of screen time for your child. Family Link lets you set time limits and a bedtime for their device, so you can help them find a good balance. Point 6. Lock their device. Whether it's time to go play outside, have dinner, or just spend time together, you can remotely lock a device whenever it's time to take a break. Point 7. See where they are. It's helpful to be able to find your child when they're on the go. You can use Family Link to help locate them as long as they're carrying their device. Thank you for watching presentation video on Google Family Link, created by British Desire eLearning. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel. For any business inquiries related to product promotion, feel free to contact us at www.britishdesire.com. If you want to have a one-on-one free consultation, please visit www.britishdesire.com/elearning and register.